Hope y'all can hear that cicada slash locust, whatever you want to call them, in the tree. There's one in that tree. There's one in this. They're taking turns. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Whatever that means, if you think it seems like we're free or not. I don't know what you think. Seems like freedom may just be an illusion in this country. I don't know, whatever. I mean, we left America, we left Britain, the Queen of England, to be free from tyrants that thought they had their bloodlines, to control the populace, the average peasant. And yet now we're here in America paying our government to stop us for all kinds of reasons and whatnot. There's so many things, so I'm not even gonna get into all that. So whatever you think, that's fine, but it doesn't seem like a freedom call to me. Anyway, I really just wanted you to hear the cicadas, so I'll shut up. You can hear the wind too. I'll let y'all hear the wind. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end this. I was gonna try to get a. Nope. I'm not getting up to look at the sun. Nobody wants to put sunglasses on for watching a video, right? Alright, love you guys. Happy 4th of July.